Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website which offers you unlimited AI models directly on a single website. It provides you with the API keys. It's called as defapi.org. This is the website. The landing page looks something like this. It has all the models for image, video generation, coding generation. We have GPT, Grok, Cadence, Gemini. So it's very simple. You register on this website, you obtain your API key, then you start making API calls. So it's completely free. Click on sign in button. You can continue with your Google account. So once you sign up, you get some initial free credits to actually try out the platform. So it is activating your account. So now you are logged in. So if you go to the API key, you will see this section. So from here you create your API key. Just give it a name. So right here, copy to clipboard. So this is your API key. If you see the billing section, unfortunately, this website doesn't reward you with initial credits. You do need to purchase the credits. So right here, you simply select the amount, how much credits you want to. Then either through Stripe, credit card, or PayPal, you can purchase the credit. So it's a Chinese-based website. As you can see, the text is in Chinese. So it's a trusted website. I'm using it for past 6 months. So once you select and you can purchase the credits. So you can see from $5, the credits are consumed based on actual model usage. So from here, you can see it has all the models: Claude, Opus, Gemini, GPT, Qwen 3, video generation as well. We have ByteDance, Cadence, Grok, Sora, View 3, image generation. We also have Nano Banana, Van, GPT. So all the things are present, and if you want to check out, so here you can explore all the models from here. If you check the detail section, it specify how much is the input and output cost for each model. In the detail section, this will provide you with the model name, the provider name, release date, everything. So from here you specify how much usage section right here. Specify. So from here you create your API key, and so for each model we have this API section right here. So here all the code is given. You select, this is the base endpoint of this. You make a post request. This is API endpoint. You click on this, it actually gives you this request. This will be the prompt. This response which will be returned, and the parameters, everything is shown right here. This is a curl request. If you want in a specific language in JavaScript, it is shown right here. So here you will replace your API key, and for Python as well, it is given this complete Python script. So here you will replace your API key. This is the endpoint. PHP as well. So various languages are supported. You simply select whichever model you are working with, and then you will see this API section. Simply go to that, and then all the things are given to you. So very simple API. One disadvantage of this website, it doesn't award you with initial credits, so you do need to purchase them. So very simple, you go to billing section, simply purchase $5 is enough to try out the API.